Looking for a way to streamline your content creation? SEOWriting.ai offers a modern and intuitive interface designed to make your writing process more efficient. With SEOWriting.ai, you can say goodbye to complicated tools and hello to a user-friendly experience that empowers you to create high-quality content effortlessly. Get a head start on your content with a custom outline feature. SEOWriting.ai gives you the flexibility to tailor your content to your brand's unique voice. Choose the ideal article size for your specific needs and select from different GPT models to ensure optimal results. The system can create detailed product reviews, how-to guides, blog posts, and product roundups. SEOWriting.ai goes beyond the basics to provide comprehensive content creation solutions. GPT 4.0 is a powerful AI model designed for generating high-quality content across various formats. Claude 3.5 Sonnet integration allows for creative and engaging content generation, particularly for poetic and narrative writing. Claude 3 Opus and Haiku models are specifically designed for generating short, concise, and impactful content. For those managing multiple sites or large content calendars, SEOWriting.ai offers the ability to create up to 100 articles at once, bulk outline creation, Excel file outline import options, and scheduled publishing options. The Deep Web feature is a powerful tool for research. It searches current information, provides source citations, allows source date selection, and lets you exclude specific URLs, adding authority to your content through citations. The Media Hub offers a suite of tools for enhancing your content. Generate stunning images with AI, refine your images with editing tools, seamlessly integrate engaging YouTube videos, and customize your content with style settings and advanced prompt technology. WordPress integration includes custom post type publishing, popular SEO plugins, meta information integration, and Polylang compatibility for multilingual content. Schema markup options for FAQ sections and the ability to include meta descriptions in WordPress excerpt fields are also available. The Humanizer tool improves readability, removes complex phrasing, makes content more natural, helps with content quality, and enhances the overall flow, creating a seamless reading experience. SEOWriting.ai is constantly evolving to meet the needs of its users. Recent enhancements include customizable brand voice, improved linking features, enhanced internal linking, a powerful deep web feature, automated citation generation, and effortless social media content syndication. Save and manage your documents efficiently, save your favorite templates for future use, schedule content creation for optimal timing, and organize large amounts of content easily with SEOWriting.ai. Analyze your content for SEO, ensure readability, verify citations, check source validity, and analyze content structure for clarity and logical flow with SEOWriting.ai. SEOWriting.ai offers flexible pricing plans to suit different needs and budgets. Try out the platform's capabilities with a free tier, explore professional options, and stay ahead with evolving subscription plans. Think about your content creation process. What features of SEOWriting.ai would save you the most time and effort? Subscribe to SharpGem AI and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's start creating better content together.